Welcome students. Come back with another questions. Now the questions taken from limits. Questions are evaluate number 1 question limit theta tends to pi by 2 sec theta minus tan theta. Question number 2 limit x tends to 0 x into 2 to the power x minus x divided by 1 minus cos x. Before going to solve the question, I advise you watch this video without any break. If any break is there, everything will not be understandable. So watch this video. Now starting the solve. To solve the questions. Question number 1. Writing first. Question number 1. Limit theta tends to pi by 2 sec theta minus tan theta. Obviously these questions from trigonometric functions or t ratios. Here sec theta tan theta. Whenever any problem, limiting problem is solved, the formula always used. Formula is x tends to 0 sin x by x, that is equal to 1. Sometimes may be done by simply putting the values. See here, if theta is equal to pi by 2, sec 90 undefined, tan 90 undefined. So directly we cannot put. Therefore we should reduce this first and also change the limits, because to use this formula. Therefore let x is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. So theta is equal to pi by 2 minus x, and theta tends to pi by 2. Put here theta is equal to pi by 2, x tends to 0. So this limit is reduced to limit. Now we will write x tends to 0. In place of sec theta, we will write 6 pi by 2 minus x and minus tan pi by 2 minus x. Here writing vertical line to separate these two. So first sec 90 minus theta, that is equal to cosec theta, minus tan 90 minus theta formula, here not theta formula, that is in terms of theta, cosec x minus cot x. Cosec 0 undefined, cot 0 undefined. Now use trigonometric formulas. Cosec 1 by sin cos x sin x. We should give here brackets to understand better. Here also one brackets. So limit x tends to 0. Simplify now. 1 minus cos x by sin x. Now one minus cos x, that is equal to formula is 2 sin square x by 2. Sin x is equal to as formula and sin x is equal to so 2 will get cancelled. One sin x by 2 will get cancelled, remaining here sin x by 2 now cos x by 2 sin x by 2, that is equal to, you can write tan x tends to 0 tan x by 2. Now if we put x is equal to 0, the value is tan 0 by 2 tan 0, that is equal to 0. So limit theta tends to pi by 2 sec theta minus tan theta, that is equal to 0. Next question, writing 2, question number 2. First write the question, limit x tends to 0 cos x. See here also, if we put x is equal to 0, 0 by 0 form, cos 0 1. So first simplify this. X take out common. Now use trigonometric formula same way as done here in first case. That means first questions. Limit one minus cos x. Here we have shown the formulas. Here x will get cancelled, but by 2 to the power x minus 1 by x, there is a formula. Here is formula, limit x tends to 0 a to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a to the base e. It's a formula. So using those formula, we will write for this portion 2 log 2 we write. Limit, or writing that is 0 2 to the power x minus 1 by x, that is one portion. Another portion, limit x tends to 0, this portion x and x square, x by 2 that of square, here 4 extra by sine square x by 2, and here is this 2 writing here. This 4 and 2 will get cancelled 2. So the value of this log 2 to the base e limit x tends to 0, we may write 1 by this sin y by y and 2 is writing here. Here half y, x by 2 is equal to y, x tends to 0, y tends to 0. So here we should write y tends to 0. Therefore, as per formula shown before, here sin 1 by y equal to 1. So finally answer is 2 log 2 to the base e. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, x into 2 to the power x is equal to 2 log 2. This is the end of the questions. If it is relevant to you, please subscribe and press the bell icon next to it. Thank you very much. Also, I shall tell you, request your friends, share with your friends. Again, thank you very much all.